Huh? What are you doing in the garage? You coming around out here to sniff some chemicals? You get... Alright, let's go get some fuel. One of the things I really don't like about a GSXR is the fact that, I mean, sure, it says it's got a light that tells you when you're about to run out of fuel, but there's not much good if you're a few kilometres away from a fuel station. It's enough complaining. We're almost within pushing the bike distance. I wonder if these cockheads are going to make me take my helmet off. You can't wear that in here. Take my fucking helmet off. Alright, we have fuel. Well, today's the first ride with the new Puig medium smoke screen, and the front Tour Max Gold disc rotors. Very pretty. Yeah, if I can only get my helmet back on with one hand. Alright. Let's get out of here, eh? Idiot. I'm kind of an idiot. Forgets their keys. This idiot. I wish I'd cleaned my visor, it's dirty as hell. Also, hopefully the balance on the camera is working this time and I'm not recording on an angle. That'd be nice. I recorded about 3 hours worth of footage the other day leaning sideways. Where the hell am I going? All these young people. Are you fucking kidding me? How in the high beam on? Turn that off. Alright, come on, you dumb. What a beautiful day. Starting to warm up, but still. However, nice to be out. That's us. Stupid mother. That was our first case of stupidity. makes you wonder what goes through people's brains when the tailgate you. Jesus. You fucking nerd. Stupidity in the car park.
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G. Snoop Dogg.
Touch me, baby, all night. 10 fucking years later, I'm gonna be riding around with my butt crack hanging out. Ugh. Ugh. Shit. Oh, come on, love. Freaking potholes.